Hey everybody, I'm back again giving you this full review on this unit from AfSister Wig. Stay tuned. Okay, so this wig came from a website called AfSister Wigs. I colored it myself. It was 613 yellow looking, and what I did was I just colored my roots brown, like a honey brown, and then I toned the blonde hair a little bit. I was going for kind of like an ashy looking color. So the wig is 20 inches. Let me show y'all how long it is. The wig is 20 inches. So this is how it looks, like absolutely calm down. But I don't like my hair like this. Like, I'm not one of these type of girls. Like, this is not, I'm more of a behind the ear, up a little bit. Like, I like my hair pushed up a little bit. If y'all know what I mean. Like, this is more me. This is how I like my hair. I ain't with that other shit. Not at all. Okay. So like I said, the wig is 20 inches, 613. The lace is 13 by 6, so it's 13 inches, I believe, across. And then my part is pretty deep. It's 6 inches long. That's how I like my wigs. I don't like that little 4-inch part. No. You see how deep my part is? That's how I like my wigs. Yes. So far, no, it has not gotten tangled or matted. I haven't experienced any like dramatic shedding, only a few strands, like if I'm combing through it or flat ironing. What I don't like about the wig is I feel like it's thin. I only got 150 density. And the reason I only got 150 density is because I paid about $240 for the wig. And I don't believe in spending, to be honest, I don't believe in spending over $200 for 613 hair, only because 613 hair is, I have not ran across good quality 613 hair. I ordered this wig one time before and I colored it like lilac or purple. I'm going to show y'all a picture of that too. And I only get wigs with 613 because I feel like 613 hair should only really be worn maybe like for a week or two. And then you got it. It's like for special occasions. Like, it's not, I don't think 613 should be worn like, you know, a black sew-in. You know, you feel me? And if you don't, that's fine. But this is just how I feel. You know what I'm saying? I can't get with it too long. So, but anyway, I love it though. I feel like it's perfect. Besides it being a little thin, I would prefer it to be at least 180 density or even 200. No, 200 would not. 200 too thick would be like real, like real ugly, real fat looking with blonde. So maybe 180 would have been perfect. But it was like an extra like $40. And I didn't even want to spend the $240 for this. So, no. I was just like, I'm going to work with what I get. So, I think I'm just going to be trying to wear it, like, not straight. Like, kind of like, it is a body wave wig also. And my beautician, she actually straightened it. And I just been keeping it straight. But it can wave up also. So, I'm going to show y'all when I start waving it up or whatever. But, yes. That's all the info about the wig. Again, it's AfSisterWigs.com, and the wig was called Miranda, Miranda. Yep.